Hi, Curly Susie here, and today I'm going to talk to you about how YouTube saved my hair. Now, the title seems a little bit dramatic, but I mean everything I say. YouTube literally saved my hair. If you would have seen my hair before, compared to what it looks like now, which is pretty curly, it would blow your mind. I had the frizziest, kinkiest, just awful hair that I couldn't do anything with. I could never get it wet. My only option was to flat iron it so that it was so straight and so shiny that it just looked like, oh, I can't even describe it. I should post a picture. If I can, I'm going to post a picture like up here. A little disclaimer, if you have straight hair, following what I'm telling you to follow today is not going to give you curly hair. This video is for people who have curly hair that they've used and abused and damaged and had like multiple blowouts a week and are flat ironing their hair every other day. This is a video for you to teach you how you can get your curls back and have healthy hair again. Where am I going to start? So what happened to me was I posted on Facebook that I was wanting to go back to my natural curly hair, and I posted a picture of a day that I was actually having a really good hair day, especially for how damaged my hair was. And I got like a ton of compliments, and somebody commented underneath and said, you need to try the curly girl method. I went on YouTube and I typed in curly girl method, and probably, I don't know, 50 videos showed up. So I watched 4 or 5 videos, and then I just kind of started following some of these curly hair YouTubers that I liked, that had similar hairstyle, that had like a similar hair texture to mine. And I kind of, using their methods and using the curly girl method, I developed my own methods. It's the next day and my hair is about 98% dry. Now I'm going to walk you through everything I did to get my hair from the point it was at when I woke up until right now. And this is everything you need to know to start to get your curly hair back. I've been doing the same routine for about 6 to 8 months, and these are the results. I'm going to post a picture right now of my hair right before I started doing the routine. Okay, so what did I do? The first thing I did was I got rid of all my shampoo that had sulfate in it and all of my conditioner and hair products that had silicone in them, and I bought natural products. Well, why? Mainly, sulfate strips all of the dirt and oil out of your hair, but it also removes product buildup, which is a good thing, but it's too harsh on your hair. It's the same thing that's found in household cleaners and dish soap, and you really don't need that. You especially don't need to use that every day. So what I started using was like a more gentle shampoo, and I'm only shampooing my hair once a month. I know that sounds absolutely crazy, but you'll figure out why as I go on. So then the next thing I did was I stopped using conditioner and hair products with silicone in it or parabens. Silicone is basically a plastic coating that coats the hair shaft and makes it look shiny. Silicones are awesome for if you're flat ironing your hair. They really give it a shiny, healthy appearance because they're coating the hair and sealing the hair shaft, like I said. But they're not good for curly hair. They disrupt the curl pattern and they build up on the hair, and then again you need the sulfate to strip them out. So it's just a vicious cycle. So now I use products that only have things in them that are water soluble. Therefore, I don't need sulfate to remove them from my hair. I only need warm water. So again, that's the first thing I did. No sulfate, no silicone. So yes, I only wash my hair with shampoo probably once a month, and that's just to give it a good clean. This is going to sound crazy, but I'm not putting anything in my hair that's not water soluble. So really, all I need to do to wash my hair is to put warm water in it and a little bit of conditioner, which is what I use, and then I use my fingertips to clean my scalp, and that works out really well. They call that co-washing. So then the next thing I'm going to tell you is that everything else happens in the shower. I put my hair conditioner in the shower, and then I just kind of finger detangle my hair in the shower. I'm not using a brush. I don't use anything like that. I just use my fingers. You could use a wide tooth comb. And then I squish the conditioner in my hair. I leave it for a few minutes, and I rinse it out with cold water. This is very important, and this is one of the things I wasn't doing at first, and I didn't realize how well it worked until I added that into my routine. So you don't have to use freezing cold water, just cool water. Anywhere from room temperature to cool should work fine, and that seals the hair shaft and makes it more shiny. It also seals in some of the moisture and leaves your hair more hydrated, which when it dries completely makes it a bit more bouncy. So then what else? I'm trying to shoot this right now without having to edit it because my baby's asleep, and I'd say I only have about 15 more minutes before he wakes up. So anyway, the next thing, this is the most important thing, and somebody had already told me this before, but I just never did it, was you apply your gel and your hair cream and all your products that you're going to use in the shower while your hair is soaking wet. So I only use gel right now. Sometimes I use gel and hair cream, but most of the time I'm lazy and I only use gel. So after I wash my conditioner with the cool water, rinse the conditioner out with the cool water, I grab my gel, I put a big blob in my hand, I rub it between my hands, and I just kind of smooth it over my hair and like smooth it into the roots of my hair and scrunch it into my hair. Then I dry my hair with a cotton t-shirt. I don't use a towel to dry my hair anymore. Again, this is something somebody told me before, and I just was like, how much of a difference can using a towel versus using a t-shirt make? But it makes a big difference. I take the t-shirt after I get out of the shower and I just scrunch the water out of my hair. Some people turn their head upside down into the t-shirt and then kind of wrap it around their head like a turban and tie it and leave it for a few minutes. But I just tend to scrunch the water out of my hair, and I feel like that works fine. This is the last part of my suggestions and of my routine. I pin the top of my hair up with a couple of clips just to give it a little bit of volume. I have it in a little top knot today just because I was running errands a few minutes ago, but normally I just take two little claw clips and I pin up the top kind of with a little bit of height, not high enough that I look ridiculous because I'm really busy and normally I have to go somewhere right after I wash my hair. But I just pin it up enough to give it a little bit of height when it dries so that I can tousle my hair over to one side once the clips are out, and it gives it nice volume on the top, and I love that look. Actually, when I was editing the first part of this video that you saw just before the tutorial part, I noticed that my hair was parted in the middle, and I absolutely hate that. I just find it looks, I don't know, too flat on the top with too much volume on the bottom. I always kind of wear my hair back or over to one side. But this is my first YouTube video. I don't have any kind of monitor or anything like that, so I didn't really know exactly what I looked like when I was filming. But anyway, next time I'll flip it over. So the only thing I don't think I mentioned, and I'll edit it out if I already mentioned it, but I don't use any heat tools anymore. So I don't use a flat iron, obviously. I don't use a hair dryer. I don't use a curling iron. I kind of took all of those things and I buried them down deep into my closet. I was a flat iron junkie. Like I said, I flat iron my hair like every day, multiple times. When pieces would kind of spring up, I'd heat up my flat iron again and I'd go over the top again. I knew if I could see it, I would be tempted to flat iron my hair again because I've just been so used to having my hair straight for so long. And one thing that is this strange phenomenon that I don't get because I'm a person with a lot of self-confidence, is that a lot of people with curly hair hate their hair. It doesn't matter how many people come up to you and give you compliments and tell you your hair is beautiful. It's really hard to go from having straight hair to having curly hair. I don't know what that is. Um, Somebody should do some research into that or something because it took me a while to get to this point, but I absolutely love my hair now. I never in a million years thought I would be the kind of person that could get a shower and then leave the house with wet hair and have hair that they love. So that's what I mean by, I should have called the video How YouTube Changed My Life, but really it's How YouTube Fixed My Hair. That's everything for my hair routine for this video. I will be posting a more detailed video next week. I'm going to post a video every week. Next week, my video is just going to be my in-depth hair routine and what products I use. I am going to insert a clip somewhere of the two products I use right now. I just really use a conditioner and a hair gel, like I mentioned. So basically I use this for everything. I wash my hair with this, I condition my hair with this, I use it as like a hair cream. I do everything with it. This was on sale for $2.33. I don't know if it'll focus here. I'm just still learning how to use my camera. But anyway, this was $2.33. It's Down Under Naturals Nude. It's a coconut scent, and it has no heavy residue, no parabens, and no silicones. So this is perfect for the curly girl method. I think full price it's $4. I mean, come on. So for my main styling product, I use this gel. So this is a water-soluble, silicone-free gel, and I just bought this at Sally. Now, I've tried other brands in like a large bottle like this, and they all work pretty much the same. The most important thing to me was that this was $12 because I use a lot of it. Like, I literally coat my hair with it in the shower, and half of it runs down the drain, so I don't want to spend like $40 on a big bottle like this. Before I end the video, I have to mention that the first 2 weeks were not good. The first 2 weeks that I started the curly girl method, my hair didn't look like this. It looked the way it always looked when I tried to wear curly. So some would be really curly, the top was kind of straight. I just had to put my hair up in protective styles or put it in a ponytail to get through those couple of weeks while my hair was remembering its pattern and its curls. What I did do, and this is cheating a little bit, and most videos will tell you not to do this, was if I was going somewhere and I really wanted my hair to look nice, I would take a narrow barrel curling iron on a low setting, and I would curl a few pieces around my face just to match the bottom so that my hair looked half decent. Or I would tie it back and my ponytail would be curly, and I would just curl the ends of a couple of pieces under just so it looked a little bit more polished. I'm going to end this video here. Please stay tuned for my next video, which I'm posting probably in the next 4 or 5 days, of my complete hair routine with products. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. If you have any comments or questions, leave them in the comment section below, and please subscribe to my channel. My channel, which only has one video on it right now. But again, like I mentioned before, I do plan on posting a video, at least one video every week. Wilson, Wilson, look right there. Somebody just woke up. Wilson, look. Okay, see you in the next video. Wait, bye.